where is it? Crane M2. Crane M2 is what you need for this tripod. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know because I found this to be quite frustrating. I hope they don't change it because now I know how it works, but hopefully it'll help you guys if you guys try to get this to run. And the camera is up and running. See if we can connect it up. It seems to have found, hopefully, connecting with Bluetooth. It says connected, and so we're off to the races. Smartphone and enter now. There we go. So yeah, there we go. Okay and okay, and we'll test it out today to see how well it tracks objects. So that's why we have it here today, to see how well it will track some objects. Thanks for watching, guys.
Likey.